Hello guys, today I am presenting on the polarimeter, an important scientific instrument used in chemistry and physics labs. This presentation is prepared by Akash Kumar, BTech CSE student, under the guidance of Dr. Ravi Pratap Singh sir, Head of Department Applied Science in REC Sonbhadra. So let us begin with understanding what a polarimeter is and why it is used important. Introduction to polarimeter. What is polarimeter? A technique measuring the rotation of polarized light as it passes through a sample based on how a substance chiral molecule rotates the plane of light. Key to understanding chiral molecule and their optical activity. Working of polarimeter. Now let me explain how a polarimeter actually works. As you can see in this figure, this process begins with a stable light source, usually a sodium lamp, which produces a clear monochromatic beam. This beam first passes through a polarizer that converts normal light into plain polarized light. As you can see in this figure, next this polarized light travels through the sample tube that contains the optically activity substance. When the light interacts with such a substance, its plane of vibration rotates. The amount of rotation depends on the nature and concentration of the sample. After passing through the sample, the rotated light reaches the analyzer. The analyzer helps us measure how much the light has rotated by comparing it with the original orientation. Finally, the detector of the observation scale displays the rotation angle. This angle is the key value used to calculate optical activity of the material. Formula and application of polarimeter. On this slide we have the formula used to calculate the specific rotation of a substance. Specific rotation is basically a measured value that tells us how strongly a substance can rotate plane polarized light. It depends on three things: the observed rotation, the length of the sample tube, and the concentration of the sample. Key application: polarimeter is widely used in several fields. In chemistry, they help identify chiral compounds and monitor reaction progress. In the pharmaceutical industry, they are important for purity testing and quality control of drugs. Thanks for watching this.